If your YouTube channel is growing, but your income isn't, let's face it, you're not running a successful business. This is a side hustle at best. And I know this because most producers I talk to aren't struggling to get views right now. They're struggling to turn views into a high income without grinding out dozens of $30 beat leases every month. The only way I've found to fix this is with what's called the PAC method, or premium artist conversion method. It's how producers use YouTube to attract the right artists, convert them into high ticket buyers, and stop letting cheap beat leases make up most of your income. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you, 1, why the old model is failing, 2, how the PAC method works step by step, and 3, the psychology behind why this works so well. And PS, if you want me to help you to set up the PAC system for yourself and even sell the first $1,000 beat entirely done for you, click the link. It's in the pinned comment or the description, and you can book a free consult with me below. Now let's hop into the video. YouTube is on easy mode for selling expensive beats right now. And if you don't believe me, you can see the proof right now from some of my students where they're getting $1,000 sales, $1,300 sales, $3,600 sales, and even a $7,500 month, all while using this method. And so you might wonder, well, who am I to even tell you about how this works or even teach it to you? Well, I've won a Grammy first off this year or last year in 2025, and I sell $1,000 beats regularly. So this is one of the artists I work with, Tony, and you can see him splitting $1,000 beat sell into paying me $250 every 2 weeks. And he's done this twice in the last 6 months. So I regularly sell beats for $1,000, and you can even see a $1,500 sell right here. And you can see where I split up some payments for $1,000 sales and even some more $1,000 sales right here. So I sell premium value beats to premium value artists. And what you might be facing, number one, is the big problem. This is why the old model is failing. And so let me know in the comments if any of these fit where you're at right now. But a lot of the times we think over time of building our YouTube channel that our views are consistently going to go up for years and years. But I see big YouTube channels with over 100,000 subscribers, and they've been doing type beats successfully for years. Their views are going down, and they've been going down for the last 3 years, and they're not even stagnating. But you may have a more recent channel where you've been getting good views in the past, but now you've noticed that the views have stagnated and the channel growth has stagnated as well. So if you have that issue, what is happening is you got into the YouTube game to sell a high volume of beats because you're getting a lot of views. And that way you can sell a lot of cheap beat leases for a low price and make a high income. So it's kind of like the Walmart or the Amazon model. And so that has been the old model. But with how many producers have gotten onto YouTube lately, the amount of views that a lot of producers are getting has definitely stagnated. And this leads to low prices times low sales volume is going to equal low income. So that might be where you're at right now, where you can't crack past $1,000 a month or $2,000 a month consistently using your YouTube channel because you're simply not getting enough low price deals, and all of those bigger exclusive deals are just falling through in the DMs or in the negotiation process. So you're having these artists, they're reaching out, but they still are not buying. You're pitching your price, you know your worth, you're charging over $500 for beats, but they're not buying consistently. And most of these deals are just falling through the cracks. You never hear from these artists again. And if you were selling all of these deals on paper, your income would double, triple, or even be 4x what it is right now. So you're not selling consistently over $500. You're getting the occasional unlimited lease or professional lease that is hitting around $100 to $200, but that is not making up most of your income. You're getting a lot of these cheaper deals, and you're having to go and do flash deals and lower your prices just to consistently get the same income that used to be easy to get. So now let me introduce you to what's called the PAC method. And you can see here, this involves using YouTube first, then Instagram messaging, and then a Google Meets call. And so you can do this all for free, which is the best part of it. And it's going to add so much more income to your business. So the premium artist conversion method is what I have coined, and it attracts serious artists number one, and this might be the biggest problem that you're having right now, is that you have a lot of unserious artists that are buying your stuff. They aren't really putting out songs. They don't take their craft seriously or do really good mix and masters on their work. And so you're falling into this trap where you have kind of feel like you sold out because you're not working with the artists that you want to work with. You're not working with people who have a vision for their music. So this method is going to attract those kind of artists that are going to come back regularly and work with you. And they're going to be serious artists who actually want to invest lots of money in their music. So that's the first thing that this is going to solve. Secondly, artists are pre-indoctrinated to want to work with you because they already know, like, and trust you. They already have been following your content, following your beats and listening, probably even adding them into their playlist and that sort of thing. But they don't feel like it's exactly what they want, and they want to pay for proximity, meaning the closer they get to you, the more they would be likely to pay. And they don't want the same cookie cutter out of the box beats from YouTube. They want something that is more personalized and for them specifically. So they're going to be indoctrinated to want to work with you. And when they move over to IG and chat with you, you're going to see that. And a few sales this way is going to pay all of your bills. So I remember back when I quit my job in 2020, and I had to get 50 leases sold for $50 every single month to just pay my bills. And that wasn't even counting like, hey, I got to go and pay for any car repairs. I got to have savings. I got to put into my retirement. All of those things are not being accounted for. And that's just with the cheaper beat leases. So when I get 16, 20, 25 days into the month and I'm still at 1,700 in beat sales or 2,000, I am racking my brain for ways to get that last 500 or to get that last 1,000 so that I'm okay for the next month. And a lot of times that involves doing flash deals. A lot of times that involves running email discounts. A lot of the times that involves doing cheap, customized beats just to make money. So you're slaving away on these projects. They're asking for multiple revisions, and you're still not getting paid what you're worth. This way, you get a few sales that pay all your bills, and you get clients that are easy to work with. They're happy to pay you 1,000 or more. And the best niches to sell this in, by the way, are going to be things like popular music. It's going to be like R&B, maybe like rock and country, and even melodic rap can sell really well. And I have students who are selling that at $4,000 per package as well. So you might ask, well, how does this actually work? So let me take you through this step by step, like I promised. So with the first step, what you're going to do on your YouTube, you want to put in what's called a CTA, or call to action. So if you don't know what calls to action are, it's probably when you go into your description and it says, get the untagged beat license here, and they go to BeatStars or your Beat Store or wherever, and that's what they're clicking on. Now, instead of putting that into your description, which is only getting you 500 to 1,000 a month anyways, typically, what you want to do is put a call to action that says, if you want to work with me more privately, or if you want to work on more personalized things, if you want to work on customized projects, then DM me X word on Instagram at, and then put in your handle. Or it doesn't even have to be a word necessarily, but that can help so that you know where they are coming from. So if you put like DM me YouTube on Instagram, then you know they came from YouTube whenever they reach out on your IG, or vice versa. But typically you can just say, if you want to work with me, DM me on Instagram and then put your handle. So that would be your call to action, and they're going to start messaging you. And even if they don't message you, you're going to start to see followers trickle in like they probably always have. And you kind of know they're from YouTube, but this will start to be more apparent once you start using this. And the next step is, once you're in that messaging conversation, you want to chat with them about what kind of things they have planned for music. Then the next step is to get them onto a call. And this is not a call like on Discord where you just go and show them your beats and that's it. You want to actually sell on this call, collect money, and put it into your bank account. And so when you get on this call, you're going to charge $1,000 or more, and you cannot pretend to be their friend or their fan and expect to accomplish this. You need an actual method. So if you need something for a sales call script, just DM me the word sales on Instagram at Kobe Sample Source, and I'll send that over to you so you have something that's really structured for this. But it's really like an 8-step process that I take them through every time. And they agree on the front end that they will pay me if everything sounds like a good fit, which is amazing because once they hear your beats and you preview them to them on this call, they're going to fall in love with the beats and they're going to want to work with you 100% so that you can go and sell them at the end of the call and they're already sold on it. So that is the biggest part of the pack system. So you might ask, like, why does this work so well versus, I mean, I already have, links where they can go and put in offers for exclusive beats or links for custom production, or they can just DM me if they really want to work. Well, the reason is because a lot of artists are not ready to make decisions yet, or they don't know how to make that decision to work with you. And they're out there experimenting and they're making bad decisions and they're working with producers who aren't taking care of them or don't really have their sound. And they're burning up money and they're burning up time and resources. So they need to get onto a call with you so that you can help them to make that decision that they probably already want to make. And they have a lot of reasons behind that. They just haven't been actively thinking of it. So you can be a quote salesperson, but really you're coaching them through how to make a decision, and whether they want to work with you or another producer is fine, but you can at least help them to get to the point where have the information enough for them to make that decision. So since they already know and like and trust you, they're more likely to make that decision to purchase with you. And by having a high dollar amount associated with it, they already think that this is going to be something that's high quality. Because remember, the artists are paying for proximity. So the closer they are to you, the more they expect to pay. And so if you go and pitch something at $200 or $300, this is almost going to be insulting to the artist because they really want something that's going to be transformation. So they want something that's transformational for their artist career, and they want you to almost be in their corner and take on an A&R role where you're personally helping them to develop as an artist, to understand what kind of sound that they're looking for, and to develop that sound with them step by step. So when they get onto a call with you, since they already know, like, and trust you, these are going to be what's called a lay down sales call, where they want to work with you so bad they're willing to do anything. They're willing to do whatever it takes. This also gets return customers. And like I shared in the beginning of the video, I have somebody who's paid me $2,000 in the last 6 months. Now, when you're getting these regularly every month, let's say you get 4 deals a month using this method, you're going to get probably 25% of those people to come back and buy again. And you can get them to do this by using my referral method and my return business method. So what I do is I give them a lifetime discount. I go and give them some kind of physical or digital gift. And then I tell them, like, hey, if you want to come back and work with me, you get this lifetime discount. And throughout the year, that reciprocity really comes in clutch because they're going to feel like they owe me something, even though they're already a customer. But because they made that decision with me, they're more likely to make it again. So buyers will always buy. And so once you've identified a buyer, treat them well, follow their music, turn on post notifications, share all their stuff, and they will come back and purchase. Maybe it's 1 time, maybe it's 2 times. I've had people come back and purchase 4 to 6 times throughout the year, and even twice within the same month. And so you can end up earning anywhere from $1,000, $1,500 per artist, all the way up to where I had people paying me $4,000 a year to work with them. So this was making up 5, 10, 15% of my income from return customers. So that's why this method works so well and why you need to start using the pack method, because otherwise you're relying on the artist to just buy or die. And so if they don't purchase, then they're just kind of going into this limbo mode and you're not targeting them with anything. So you need to start using this method so that you can get return customers, and it will ease off that burden of getting to the first of the month and having to completely start over from scratch with your sales. So if you want help to implement the pack method for yourself, you probably hear this and you're like, well, I would like to use this, but I would like a more step-by-step, or maybe something that you help implement this with me and do a little bit more hand holding. And I even sell the first beat entirely done for you. So if you're looking for something like that, you can see I've helped quite a few producers to use this method. So here's one right here. This was Othello Beats. He booked 12 calls. And I said 1 out of 3 will pay him, but it actually was higher than that. It was 5 out of the 12 paid him, almost 50%. And he earned $13,600 in a single month generated from just those calls. So that's why this works so well. And you can see there's just dozens and dozens of producers that I have helped to install the system. So if you want to be somebody who's going to be successful in 2026 and in the coming years, you need a system that's going to help you to do this. You cannot just spray and pray content out there and realize that, hey, the views are going down or stagnating. You're not getting the sales that you used to get, where you used to be able to get 2-4% to buy from going to your website. Now it's more like 0.5% from what the research that I've done. So if you're looking at these numbers and realizing that maybe you're in a hopeless position where you're like, nothing works and I've kind of given up on this and I know that I'll never be able to do this full time or be able to earn the money that I'm looking to make, this is the answer for you, the PAC method. So you need to have this premium artist conversion method in your business. And I would be more than happy to chat with you about how you can set this up, give you some more info on how it works on the specifics. So you can book a call with me, excuse me, in the link in the description. It's in the pinned comment. It's completely free. And that way you can see if the coaching program that I offer is a good fit for you or not. It's helped so many producers. I've helped 4 more producers make a couple extra thousand a month this month. So if you're looking for help on doing this, I want to be able to help you to do this. Whether or not you go with me or another person doesn't matter to me, but I want to be able to at least help you on that step of the journey to having a successful business. So if you have an expensive side hustle where you're investing thousands a year into it and you're barely even breaking even when it comes down to it, or you're only making 1,000 extra a month, I mean, that's good if you want to invest it into a 401k or something to help you to retire on, but you're going to be working a job for the rest of your life unless you figure out how to do this. So if you're in that position and you want to figure out how to make this year your best year yet for producing and making income, I would love to help you install this PAC method and sell the first $1,000 beat. Entirely done for you. So if you're curious about how that works, go to the link in the comment, the pinned comment or the description. Book a free call with me and I will talk with you soon. So hopefully this video helps. Make sure you book that call with me. And YouTube wants you to watch this video around here next. I'll see you in the next one.